Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, so back in the small account, you just real quick. Hold up. Ooh, I just did the wrong thing. Let's see. Bro, why did I keep doing that? Carla, good morning. Good morning. I think there's one more place. Hold on. Just gotta do something. I try to get on here nice and early because the past like 2 days, YouTube was a little different with the stream setup. Did the same thing today actually. It's like it takes longer to get on now. Caction Radio, good morning. Here, let me see one more thing. Let me check out this account, make sure everything's in place. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the account has $243.65 in it. And that's what we're up. Alright. Glock man, damn, what's up, family? Alright, we're ready to get started, see what's up. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so here, let's throw up the Dixie right here. We got the dollar dropping today. We got some data. Well, we already got some come in today. We got a little bit more coming in about 40 minutes, 30 minutes after the market opens. Macy Mayo, good morning. You said what we grabbing on SPY. Right now it's showing resistance at 780. We're gonna have to watch the bonds. Something I've been failing to do over the past like week and a half is kind of like watch the bonds and see kind of what's going on with that. So I've been getting kind of wrecked a little bit when it's just been going up. I didn't realize, unfortunately, yeah, I didn't realize that like the bonds, I was not looking at the bonds as closely as I needed to. I was just looking at the dollar. And it's like I need to get the whole picture because I've been like, yo, the stock should fall back down, but not when bonds are falling like they are, because people is making things very bullish. Money is coming back to the markets. Here, let's see. Bonging Kosh. Oh, is that Bongi? Bongi? No, it takes weeks. It's not happening in a day. No, yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we're not going from 100 to 1,000 in a day. It's something I've done before, but it's not something I would expect to do regularly. But yeah, we've here I can show the account. Let me see. This is an account we start with $100 and we just try to keep it moving. Let's see. Where are we at? Oh, here we go. It's loading. Angela's, good morning. Bro, my computer is lagging real hard. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is set account, the 100 to 1K. Over the past week, there's nothing because we didn't trade last week. Over the past month, we're up 253 over the past month. And over the past 3 months, this is how much. Like, I've created this account just for this, but I think this is about when the first challenge started over here. You can see it kind of goes flat. And then, like, as we get closer to the end of the challenge, the gains get bigger. So, like, from here, we went from down 283 to down 413, or let's say negative. And then we went to 53. And I think this is when we started the current challenge. So we started this one on like mid-July. Looks like first day we made $56. Second week, I guess we made like 40. Last week, I guess like 50 or so. But yeah, that's how we're sitting. So we're, I don't know, if it stays in line, I'll maybe say, oh, with the 250 that has been made today, maybe get the what is it? Maybe what was I saying? Oh, maybe we'll get like 50 or so, or more, just depending on what the day gives us. Let's see. Joey V, haven't been on a minute. You still posting? I remember you did every day back in the day. Yeah, that used to be something. Used to be something. Here, let's see. It's like I might. It's possible I get back to that. We'll see. I feel like I might move to like intervals of doing it because I feel like I kind of get off doing this every day. All right, let's see. Glockman Dan, am I still in the meta put? Unfortunately, yes. So that meta put yesterday, I tried to tell. I set it to sell at 231, and then I hopped in the shower, and then it just kind of left, and then it kept going up, or meta kept going up, and then I kind of just like, oh, is there any point? And I was like, let's see what's going on. But then after the market closed, I kind of like got in, did my research, and I realized like, the bonds have been dropping like crazy, so things are like what seems irrational is kind of rational. We got money coming back into the market. They're looking for places to deploy. So I'm still holding it. But like I still feel like it could hit, but I'm going to say the odds are low. I'll have to take a look at that here in a moment to see like what I think. Or actually in like 30 minutes. DJ Slim, good morning. From an army base in Poland. Okay. Yeah, that's clean. Yo, top of the morning. Shelma, good morning. Diana, good morning. Or Diana. Brand new, good morning. What I do with Google? I'm still holding it. There was a point, I was up a couple hundred on it, and then it just reversed. So yeah, right now I'm still holding it. Sarav, good morning. Like the Google is in the money, but it is down because of data. It's like I could possibly hold on. I might be able to, like, Google looks like it's going to hold I'll have to actually look and see what I think will happen with that. Yeah, I might try to what is it? What's the word? Roll it. But here, I'm gonna get in on Mumu. Amanda, good morning. Here, let's see. Google. All right, yeah, so we still got what's it, consumer sentiment that's supposed to come in like 30 minutes. I want to see how consumer sentiment comes out, and then I'll kind of make some decisions. Right now, it looks like Google should kind of stay between 345 and 350. So we'll kind of see there. Here, let me get this back over here. Also move this so I can see what everyone sees. And let's also shrink that down a little bit. There we go. Sunshine with Joss, or is it Joss? Short for Jocelyn? Yo, top of the morning, Lamberella. Alright, so I think the market here, let's slide this over. Yeah, we're opening up in a few seconds. Let's get it. Alright, so market is open. Here, let me let's see. Starting the day off, a little pullback action. Looks like we got a little liquidity here at 777. Here, let me pull up SPY, look at kind of what we're pricing in. So we got a wall at 780 and a wall at 775. All right, cool. Appreciate that, Joss. Okay. So we're going some different directions to start the day. We got the dollar dropping, which is kind of bullish. I'm gonna let y'all know what I personally like. I would love for us to come down and test this 775 area. Oh yeah, Meta trying to take off right now. Google trying to push up. Hold on, let's look at the cues. Let's also look at, yeah, we're still dropping there. Nvidia. Marcus, good morning. All right, so little support here. Bro, this Google is trying to run away. Hold up. All right, so we got Netflix trying to pop, not Netflix, Nvidia trying to pop as well. Dollar dropping. Hold up. Timothy, good morning. No moves made yet. Nine seven three. Good morning. D Scurb, top of the morning. All right, let's see. So we got the SPY pulling back here. Where are the Qs? On the 15. So we got the Qs kind of looking similar to the SPY, but I feel like the actual stocks in the Qs, like you see Google, see Meta, they're not moving the same. Nvidia, yeah, that's not lined up. The index is, hold on, something's got to give. Alright, so big call wall there. Alright, so Google will probably get a pullback there. Let's see what else. But we're kind of chilling for now. Meta is very positive gamma. Okay, let's see. Mass 3 are these, or Mass 3, wait, what is it? Yo, top of the morning, family. D baby, good morning. All right, so we're pulling back on the SPY, pulling back on the Qs. We're kind of breaking down here a little bit. Here, I'm gonna play a trend continuation on the SPY. We'll see how it does here. Or actually, I'm looking to, but we got some liquidity here. Just want to see what happens. If we break down below this, I'll go in on something short. Let me make sure I'm in the right account. I'm not. Tesla gap on up on daily chart 350 watch zone. Here, Here, let's see. Where's Tesla? Oh, you said on the daily chart. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm waiting on this data we got in like 30 minutes. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. It's like hit the like button. Oh yeah, that's a bad ratio. Hold up, we got 100 people on, 38 likes. Yo, where we at, family? That's enough to send us to what's it called? That's enough to send us to, yeah, let's say Alcatraz. All right, so I'm gonna go light. No, wait. Hold on. I'm looking on the 14 and 15. Here, let's see. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. No, we'll hold off for a moment. I appreciate you, M says. Oh shoot, some of y'all started showing up. Alex, good morning, good morning. Here, let's see how we're looking. All right, so right now, right in the middle of our happy range. So yeah, keep an eye on Tesla this morning. It's moving up. I'm gonna say I'm predominantly watching the SPY at the moment because that will likely, that is the greatest likelihood of what I'm trading, but we can have Tesla on the screen because the more divided my focus, the more chopped this account gets. Henry said I've been working a weird schedule. Hey, you're always though. No, sorry to hear about the weird schedule. If it's like something you're not liking, but glad to hear you're always here. Sophia, good morning. Hey, Cameron, top of the morning. Hey, top of the morning, Gauss. Yeah, I need to refocus. So big part of what's going on is I completely missed what was going on with the bonds. We got a lot pushing us up, or a lot pulling us up when the charts point down as like macro points up, just with all the money coming in. Tech override, good morning. Yeah, I saw the retail data. That's kind of good for like rate hikes or rate cuts and whatnot. Harry says SPY puts potentially, but also I'm as of right now I'm like I'm leaning more towards calls at the moment, but we'll see. I honestly don't love either direction because they haven't been moving like they have been. Like I like when it's like, okay, yo, the bottom end of the range is here. We come touch the bottom and it's like, oh yeah, let's run it to the top now. But more recently it's been like yo, we're gonna start in the middle of the range and we're just gonna run to one end. I like that full range because bro, it's more money. You said, do I think Spy can hit 776.50? Yes, I do. Bro, is that my computer messing up or did YouTube change something? Oh yeah, I think it was my computer messing up because it went right back. Okay, but yeah, we got the dollar dropping hard. All right, Spy trying to hold up. Honestly, trend on the 2 minute is down, but Spy trying to hold up. Here, let's see. Okay, Jordan 88806 15 minute QQQ. That's oh, you're talking about the first low. Yeah, there's one down there. Oh, it's not a one I'm fully comfortable taking. Market been acting a little different right now. Actually, if I were looking at one on the Qs, I would probably look at this one over here at about maybe 729.91. Cause this one ended up wait, you got a push up over here. Then we sold down here. That almost like I don't know. All right, we got AMD pushing up right now. Hold up. Pushing kind of hard. How's Nvidia? Nvidia's chilling, but AMD's up like almost 3%. Tesla's up about 2.5. So SMH is green now. That's not really one I watch. I don't know too much about it. What is that? Actually, I was thinking of SMR. I don't think I look at SMH at all. If I oh, unless you're talking about hold up. No, never mind. Market been flip flopping like some sandals. I mean, honestly, it's been going up. If we're being real, like in the day, it's kind of been like flipping, but it's been going up. Here, I'm gonna have to come back out to a 4 hour, get a real picture, throw some things in perspective, cause yeah, it's like we're still pushing a bullish range right now. As much as I would love a pullback, so I had like an obvious move, but it's not obvious right now. Oh, semiconductors, okay. Marvel's been lagging. Looks like it's ready to run before earnings. That's cool. I'm focused on this 100 to 1,000 account right now. So I'm trying to like just stick with the ones I can actually play with it today. And then after that, I might look elsewhere. But it's kind of wild. All right, so we got the spy. chilling at 778. First black candle, we got some data in 13 minutes. You still got in Tesla heading up to 350. Bro, Google pushed up to like 350.40. Got a big old wick though. Alright, we got AMD approaching 500. Hold up, I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna have to see what's going on today. Look at the heat map. Alright, so it looks like compute is winning on the day. I mean, none of this is anything I really trade though. Auto, let's see. Okay, Tesla, Ford's doing all right. So yeah, some of the car automakers are, it's like up like 2% overall in the day. I've been watching SMH to trade SPY. Semis have been leading the way this week. Here, let me take a look at that. Bro, this look kind of choppy. Like I can see whatever day this is right here, Monday. I think I was traveling Monday, so I didn't even like really see the market Monday. Oh, wait, hold up. Was this Monday? Wait, what's today? No, that's like last week. Hold up. Oh yeah, I was here that day. Hold up. All right, so then we got all this choppiness over here. Oh, it seems pretty flat. All right, so we're pulling back. Let's see. FCell is a cheap play that I jumped in around 19. That's what's up. You said, what's my trading strategy? Liquidity sweeps with supply and demand. And then whenever we don't have liquidity sweeps, or like we don't have clear sweeps of liquidity, supply and demand, I default to just trading with the trend. It's like I come on here and trade these live streams, but I don't always think it's the best time to trade. So if it's like a prime, like if it's prime, ideally, like looking at the SPY, if it were just me trading and it wasn't like me being here on live stream, I would wait till we came, pulled back to this area. And once we pull back in this area, or maybe even came down to this 771.21, I would look to like ride it up. But right now I'm trying to see like, hey, what's the trend gonna do today? So because of that, I'm looking at these EMAs. Can I scalp Google on that 350 push earlier? Hey, good stuff. You know, glad to hear you're getting it, family. Yeah, Google pushed up there and it's pushing back down a little bit. Let me see. Let me get back in here. All right, so 347.73. Wait. Elijah, what's up, family? Flip flopping like some sandals. Yeah, we got some comedians in here. Got some comedians in here. Monica, good morning. All right, so we got like 7 minutes till we get this data. Should get more clear direction. But hey, while we're here, let's talk about what we're seeing. Because ideally, I want to trade the SPY because it's the one I can be the most consistent with. But the trend is pretty tight on it, so I'm waiting for not this to happen. This right here is not favorable. We're just like on the day since we've opened, we're kind of trending down, but also if you really look, we're really just trading sideways in a tight range. So there's no trade to really be had yet. We do have some stocks that kind of like took off, kind of popped to start the day, but until we can get some kind of break in one direction, there's no trade. Even like I would say, in a way, I'm forcing these trades, but like even in the situation where I'm forcing, there's like no trade if we're just this sideways. Let's see. So that 580 on Meta was nice. Hey, you're very welcome. I tried to get out of it. I got trapped in it, and then Meta kind of went up. So I'm still in it. I'm going to have to refund that challenge. I'm on like week 4. That I would say the travel kind of messed me up. Like I was trying to rush and it led to me blowing up the account, which is very annoying. Blowing up the account, and then like I had like the extra money I made and I blew that up too. Hold on. My mouse is on my iPad. Okay. Patrick, thank you. Wait. Oh, what is this flow state? Thank you for the gift. I've never seen this before. Wow, thank you. It's truly unique. Never seen flow state. All right, data in 5 minutes. Yeah, data. Hey, it's in 4 now. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. So we got the dollar. I want to see IWM. IWM is currently have a good little range on IWM too. But yeah, it's like everything's just been going up. Kind of. You got some stuff that's just stuck. Or sideways. There we go. Let's see. Cent flow state for 200 joules. What are joules? Is this like a new thing on YouTube? What are joules? Do they have joules on YouTube now? Is that like TikTok? Steve, you said, "Am I a travel nurse?" No, I'm not a travel nurse. My wife just likes to move around and do things, and yeah, so we move around and do things. I am. Well, I guess you just say I'm a creator. Like the only things I do are I trade. I make content about trading, and then I do like product reviews and stuff too. But beyond that, that's it. Oh, so you're being serious about the jewels? Yeah, I'm gonna have to see what's up about that. I'm gonna have to see if like I go somewhere to collect them. Like if I look, do I have 200 jewels just sitting somewhere? All right, so data in 2 minutes. Here, let's get a look at volume. I'm gonna drop down to a 5 minute just to see. Dollar falls on surprise drop in retail sales. Okay, so honestly, that's bullish. Did we get a bullish move from that? Let's see. All right, so this was. Oh, that's yesterday. Nah, we didn't really get a move when we got that data. Like the range we're in right now is kind of tight. You said these people could give you some everybody knows. Are we still talking about the jewels? That's kind of. Yo, I'm gonna try to hop on the stream from a different account, see what you're talking about. Let's see. Everything that comes in. Oh wow. All right, so we got Tesla back at 350. All right, hold up. We should have some data now. Let's see. A lot of content and creators get these members as little. Oh, cool. Appreciate that. All right, so consumer sentiment 51. Wait, let's see if we're getting any kind of volume. Let's go back to a 5 minute. Still pretty flat on the SPY. Let me go to 5 minute on the dollar too. Says SPY trying to go up. I don't even know. SPY is chilling right now. I I honestly think it's gonna go up, but just kind of want to wait till we get some kind of sign. Here, let me take it back to a 15 and see if there's any kind of areas of interest. Here, let's go up to a 30. Hey, honestly, yeah, we're trying to move below this 9 EMA on the 30. Should we get a solid close on this? That's game over. Bro, there is like no movement. You said, what is my moo name? Here, let me see it. Let me see it. I don't think I like really post on moo like that, but here, let me see. Moo. How do I? No, let's trade. Me. I think it's my first name and last name, I think. Yeah, so my moo name is legit. I'm gonna type it in there. That's my moo name. Alright, so hold up. We might have might be trying to come up here. Here, let me take this back to the 5. Let's check the volume. Volume's still kind of low. I'm not seeing enough to like really have anything, but we might be starting a little uptrend here. We might. Let's see. Dollar's still kind of sideways, but it's already dropped enough for us to have enough of a move. So the top line range today, 779. Nvidia recovering. Hey, top of the morning. Nvidia, you said no movement Friday. Hey, for real. I mean, Tesla is. It's like it makes you wish, like, oh yeah, wish I had jumped in Tesla, but that's just Tesla. Think that's so weird. Oh, you said okay. I'm new on Mumu. Hey, well, hey, welcome to Mumu. I guess. I've been using it for a few years. All right. Bro, I might be a little played out with this. Not gonna go in with anything big. I just grabbed a 779 call. All right. I would love to see it get to higher day. It looks like the trend is changing, and that's all I'm doing. I'm looking to see if we can get to the high, and then if we can, looking to see if the trend can continue. I want to note like this trade does not feel solid, but I am trying to trade with the trend. We got the data that I was looking for. We also got the dollar dropping. The market has kind of been doing its thing. The bonds are still holding up the same way, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. So I bought the SPY. It's a 0 DTE. It's a 779 call. I bought it at 80. It looks like 80 cents a share. No, 82 cents a share I paid for it. So I grabbed a SPY. What is it? 779 call 0 DTE. I'm just trying to watch the trend. We're going to see what happens. I'm watching right here on the 2-minute on the Heiken Ashi. It's up $1. Let's see. Sun sign, small scaps on DRAM has been supporting my triple. Hey, good stuff. Hey, actually, I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. I was about to tell you how to live your life. That's not my place. Tesla or SpaceX. I think they're gonna end up being the same company at some point in the future. So I'll say take your pick. Hey, get them when they're undervalued. Tesla 370 is daily gap fill. Oh, that'd be something right there. If we get movement like that, that'll be something. All right, bro. Spy is really doing this, playing this sideways game. Here, let me. Here, what's all time high? All time highs over here at 779.38. I think we can hit all time high. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and watch this trend, and then also try to look and see what Tesla's looking like for D curve. Hey, we got a strong magnet at 350 on Tesla. Like 350 is strong on Tesla today. I'm gonna say that. Almost forgot to hit the button. Hey, appreciate you, Shane. Appreciate you. All right, so we're still not like here. Let me see what's Tesla or not Tesla SPY looking like on the 15. We're chilling down here. Hold on, what's IW? Was IWM the move? But yeah, they're just up from the start of the day. I had it up, but I overlooked it. So order filled. Hey, once again, I want to preface that this might not go anywhere because this is looking kind of dead. Here, I want to show y'all like this is the volume for the. It's not a holiday, is it? I paid 82 cents per share. I'm pretty sure I'm down on it. Yeah, 67 cents. I'm down $15. But yeah, I want y'all to see this right here. If you look below where my cursor is, this is going to be the volume for the day. So the volume kind of went up for like the first 10-15 minutes. And as each candle has just been lower and lower. So we're trading on some like very low volume right now. I'm watching the trend right here. I'm not really loving it. Because there's like no strength to this move. And you can see right here, this is the volume on the 2-minute. Yeah, 750 is a do or die zone. Hey, for real. No. It's like we need some kind of. Bro, honestly, today. Oh, hold up. Are we starting to move? No, never mind. It was looking like it on my iPad for some reason. Tesla pulling down a little bit. Here, let's see. Bro, I think I might have to turn some of my notifications off. Because I hadn't even been finding them to be helpful. Let's see. Okay, spy. Hey, we're still above this little 2 minute trend line, but Michael, appreciate you, family. You said what was the play? I grabbed a 779 call. It's a zero DTE. They're trying to sit here and pin the price though. Here, I said I was gonna do something with Google. I'm gonna roll my Google out. I want to reanalyze it real quick though. So I want to say Google's still in a downtrend. I still think Google can come down. I'm about to roll my Google. Let's see, what's today? Today's the 14th. Wait, I'm about to roll it to a much worse area. Let's go for the 21st. All right. So I'll wait for that to get filled. Oh, hold up. All right, so we're crossing down. I'm about to cut out of that cuz yeah, I don't think there's anything here today. Like as much as I want to. Here, let me where do I? All right, so I just sold out of that SPY call for 54 cents a share. I took a $28 loss on it. I'm not sure we're gonna get anything today. Or here, wait, we could wake up to the downside potentially, but right now, still too early to say. Like this range is so tight on everything. Here, let me see. I'm gonna just type this closed out of SPY. All right. Honestly, it looks like, yo, we look like we're primed to fall, but we're not quite falling yet. So here, let's here. So this low we put in right here. What's this? No, we put in this low at. Okay, yeah, this low we put in like the first 15. If we break below that, we can move some more. Let me see what the lower end is. So that's the only case I trade from here. Nah, we got a put wall at 777. I don't think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Closed out a SPY call. Yes, Cody. Closed out a SPY call. Yeah, on the 15, this might be a little confirmation kind of like when it just comes in like to in reference to the 9 EMA. We got the 9 EMA curling down. Still above the 48 EMA, but yeah, we could be looking to come down. I want to see us get past this 777.65 area though, because you can see we got this liquidity here. Like I would dislike entering a trade right here and then we end up pushing up because we can see there are still buyers right here. All right, that's the best movement we've gotten all day. This candle right here where we're dropping. And since I'm watching Tesla and SpaceX, here let's pull up SpaceX, see what that's looking like. Oh, I didn't even know SpaceX was selling off like this today. It's kind of oversold on the 15. Let's see it on like bro, what is this I have right here? Let me get rid of that. All right, we got the dollar moving up. Angela's told you 776.50 it could hit in a 776 put. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. All right, so yeah, let's see how we do. We're at low of day. Let's see if we can get a break here. Might be getting ready to try to drop to the downside. Okay, I'm gonna share this real quick. Hold on, hold on. Where are we at? It look like we're about ready to break on down. Roll to the, what is it, the 21st. All right, so I rolled my Google put out a week, so it expires next Friday, and I rolled to 340. All right, so we're trying to break down here, looking for confirmation here. See, we got some support over here. It's pretty light, but You said if Nvidia loses 224.69, I'm done. Hey, I hope it holds for you, family. We're trying to move down though. All right, 777.49. All right, so we got a new low on day. See what happens here. Winston, good morning. Hey, you missed a lot of chop. Hey, good for you. Came in at a good time. Hold up. All right, let me check in on see how the new Google's moving. Okay. Yeah, got a ways to go. So SPY 77.46. Do got a little more buying pressure here. Let's see, it's on the 5. Oh, we also got the 200 moving average right here on the 5 too. Here, let me watch that. See how we respond to this. And we can pull back here up closer to 778. That'd be cool. You said let's get that flash wick to the downside. Hey, let me get in first. Let me get in and then we'll. Oh, unless you're talking about Google, yeah. Let's get a flash wick on Google, but shoot, let's get a flash wick to like 330 or something. Said the morning commute burned you out today. Where'd you commute to? I'm about to head to Austin after this. All right, dollar still coming down. All right, here we're trying to test this. What is this, bro? I want to go outside and go for a walk right now. I see all these people walking. It's like the only time of day you can walk in Texas right now without without sweating. You said in New York City it's crazy here in the mornings. Oh yeah, I bet. Bro, I bet that's absolute insanity. All right, so we got the SPY. It's trying to take this here. This is the last one for the 15-minute, right? Let's see. Yeah, we got 2.5 minutes left on the. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got 2.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We're here below this right here. If it doesn't start pushing up, that might be a good look. This is the single best candle we've had all day, single best move, and this has taken us. Oh, that's about $1. That's a solid candle. It's a solid candle. Said I live in Crowley, Texas. Hey, I'm in Texas too, but where is Crowley? Let's see. Crowley. Oh, it's about an hour and a half away. Okay, so it's close to Fort Worth. Okay. All right, we still moving down. We about to close out on this. I wanna just hop in now. But I'm gonna try to wait. Got into a SSPC call, paid 35. It's at 53. thinking SpaceX is going lower on the 1 hour. I mean, you got it can go a little lower, but it looks like there's support at 135, so I wouldn't say there's too much room. All right, we still got. Hold on, what's this? All right, so trying to push up a little bit. Haven't confirmed below this 200 moving average yet on the 5. But yes, would like to get some puts. Would also not like to be faked out. All right, jump into 766 out at, hey, good stuff. 75%, good stuff. Bid is 30 and oh, that's never fun. Wait on the puts, I'm screwed. But you don't have to be. Hey, I'm trying. All right, so we got our closure. Not confirmation, but we got a closure. Let's see what that's looking like on the 15. We're still below this level. I'm liking that there's like a little slowing there, but all right. Yeah, we're gonna hold up. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. Oh, now it's trying to move. Hold on. Don't know why it's doing that. All right, so it's at 776.93. I'm looking at a 777 put, but I'm trying to wait. It's at 777.06. I want to see if we can get a little retest action. 777 on the dot. See on the 15 once again. We got hey, I want to show y'all right here. We got this look. Actually, hold up. This is a bearish range. No, it's not. No, it's not. We're in a bullish range. And we might have to about like 775.44. All right, 777.09. Bro, they whipping it around today. $776.88. Bro, volume. Oh, we did get a little pop in volume over there. Brand new, looks like a bear trap now. Could be wrong. Yeah, honestly, might have missed this. We do have like, bro, if we went to a 5-minute, this would be a demand zone. This ain't look. This is just not right. There'll be another move. This is he said how off. Wait, hold on. I've got slight whiplash. I know how you feel, family. Bro, this mess is too tight. Bro, Google moving down. How often do I go live? I'm live every day, but live like this is on Fridays. If you're trying to come for this, I'm only live like this Friday. Angela's up. Hey, good stuff, Angelus. I'm glad you're getting it. Honestly, a good little trend right there once we broke. And let me turn off the Alright, Tesla pulled back to 345. Hold on. SPY 776, 90. Honestly, it hasn't moved from where I was about to get in. You said should have reacted faster to the opportunity. The move. I don't think this is the move of the day, and it's like Gauss. I know you've seen what has happened over the past like week or so, and it's a lot of that feeling like the move is getting away from me. That has like led to these losses I've been taking. So right now I'm trying to be level-headed and actually process all the information. And the information before me right now is saying this movement is kind of garbage. I know this looks big because we're on the 2-minute, but in reality it's a small move. So like to share all the numbers and everything I see, just to keep it real so y'all can have everything, we got like a kind of tight range on the day. The movement we got today, 778 to like, this is the biggest move we got today, 776. To let y'all know what I see, right now we got a wall at 775, that being the bottom end, and right now top end is up here at 779. If we move down and if we can get below 775, we can move a lot. But also, like, if we look back to yesterday when we moved, yesterday we popped off, ran up, we pulled back, and then if you look at the rest of the day, it was kind of easy going, just melting up. So yeah, if I were to get in on that move up here, there was no real indication, like unless I'm trading on a 2-minute, then that's not how I trade. So it's like if you trade, you got to stick to a strategy and trade the strategy the way it works. But I gotta wait for confirmation, or I'll end up getting chopped like I've been the past week. This past week has not been a good week for trading, and I'm gonna chalk that up to the travel that I've taken. I've had a lot of stuff going on. Here, let's see. Who is stocked up daily, and should I ignore the spam? What do you mean? Is that like in the Discord? If that's in the Discord, yeah, ignore that. You said, how can I hop on the daily live? So that's Freedom Charts. If you go to matthewmanuel.co, it'll show you how to get to that. Could be a trap. That's why I got out. Hey, good stuff, Angelus. Yeah, because you can see right here, we had this little, it might be a 5-minute demand zone, but you can see this led to a push up here. So yeah, we might see. Hard to get out of calls and inputs that fast. I did not how to not hit this move either. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Like there will be more trades. The price action is poop right now. Um, we gotta not let our short term haste ruin our long term like movement. It's easy to make it's easy to be more right when you're looking over a longer period of time. If I was like, yo, I'm about to make like if you were to have me bet like, oh, this is gonna go down like $1.50 over the next 30 minutes, bro, that's not a bet I would take because you don't know. It's like sometimes they pump it up. Let's see, in at 43 cents, out at 59. Hey, good stuff, bro. Yeah, this is okay. All right, we might be able to like hop into the upside here. If we can break this, I like this move down enough to the point where it's like, yo, we might be able to move up here. So might go for calls round two. Oh yeah. But one other thing I'm noticing right now is options are cheap again. There's a reason for that. We're not getting movement like we have been, and because of that, options don't they don't cost the same. Cause it was costing me like if you go like I had to go like 2 or 3 strikes out, and they were like 70 cents for the contracts. Right now, I get the next strike out of the money. It's like 50 cents a share. The options pricing is going to be based off of like kind of the moves that you would expect for them. So yeah, the options price on the SPY is pretty cheap. Here, let's see. There's a name in the comments and they're spelling LGVN squeeze. Oh, hold up. But how did I not see that? Okay. If anyone watching NVIDIA is trying, bro, NVIDIA's up 44 cents. Bro, honestly, the one that's like really doing this thing today, AMD is still like doing this thing throughout, like just everything today. Where's it at? It's still like moving in this range, but on the day, AMD's popping. All right, so SPY sitting kind of at this indecisive level, kind of consolidating. Said you need at least 3 devices, in my opinion, to place calls and puts simultaneously. That could be true. I'm not even. Yeah, I got I got an iPad right here. I got a laptop with a 30. I feel like this is like a 34-inch screen, something like that, and like a 16-inch monitor right here. Bro, Tesla back to 343. Hold up. Let me look at Tesla again. Bro, this is like, I don't know. There's like no movement. Like we're moving down, but there's like none at the same time here. So we just closed out another 15-minute candle. Let's see how this one starts. Looks like we're about to get across to the downside on the 15-minute. All right, so we're pulling up. Kind of. Here, let me check the gamma. It's today the 14th. All right. Okay, so I'm about to make a move, and I'm operating off gamma. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a 777 call. I just paid 94 cents a share. I like what I see gamma wise. So yeah, I paid 777 per share. I think that's my best, or I paid 94 cents per share, and I think that is best chance at anything occurring. Looks like we're about to cross over this, and that's that. All right, so Father of Rose, swear we need to get banks and the government out of the stock market. Nah, for real, it's a little wild. All right, so up 10%. Okay, kind of. Let's see if we can get a trend. Like it'd be nice to see like if we can make some kind of move up to 777.88. That would be nice. Or if we want to go to high of day, I think we could have a move coming. Could. I like that this one is starting to show like a different color. Like we're starting off with this candle green. Yeah, I got 0 DTE. Here, let's see. It's up like 13%. Yeah, I would like to see this higher. So dollar moving up. Yeah, the dollar kind of moving up. This is a 5-minute, but if you look at the dollar on the day, we've moved down massively, and we haven't reacted to that move down yet. You said the play is already moving. Kinda. That's like it looks like it is, but I would like, bro. I want to at least see us above like 777.43 first before I have any level of comfort. You said which ticker is SPY? I'm a spy. I'm gonna be real. It still doesn't like look like anything amazing right now. but that looks kind of like the best thing. We were chilling there around that support at 777. Couldn't really break it. And then when I hopped in and looked at the gamma, it's like it shows we can move higher. Oh, hold up. I just accidentally pressed on. And now we're making like we're trying to get over this, but also still nothing is going on. Says sorry I didn't catch your play. If you look at the messages I just typed right before you said that, that's what it was. I paid 94 cents per share. It's currently up like 5 cents per share. Hey, Darren, we don't know that I didn't fall for it yet. We'll see. We'll see. Cause they could just come back around and say, "Oh yeah, we're going down again." Should I do Bitcoin on Cash App? I'm going to tell you what I do with Bitcoin on Cash App. I can't tell you whether you should or should not. That's all you. But I don't know. I don't know how frequently it happens, but I think it's happened like at least 3 times. Bitcoin has said, "Hey, if you deposit any amount of money, we're gonna give you like $10 in Bitcoin." And what I do is, whenever they do that, I deposit $1, and they end up giving me $10 in Bitcoin. It usually takes a couple weeks for them to give it to me, but they do it. So that's my Cash App Bitcoin experience. So, bro, I will gladly pay $1 to make an additional 10 any day. Yeah, it's having problems holding over 777.48. As long as we're also having problems holding under as well, I'm chilling. I'm here to the end of the stream. Like we got a wall forming right here of puts at 777. So if that wants to grow, I'm cool with that. That can help push things up. But yeah, the volume here is pretty weak. Let's see. 777.20. Cash App never. You said Cash App never offered me any Bitcoin and I buy weekly. Hey, that's why they do it. That is why they don't do it, because you're buying weekly. They're trying to get those people that don't do it. Before they did that, I never bought any, and then they sent the offer. I was like, why would I not do that? I was like, they're like, hey, gotta make them feel stupid for not doing it. But honestly, ever since I bought it, here, let me look at it real quick. Look at my cash out. Oh, 777.32. Are we trying to move up? Contracts up 7 cents per share. Here, let me look at my cash app. Oh, 777.34 is getting exciting. 37. Hey, we trying to move up. How do I get to my Bitcoin? Okay, so I got $26 in Bitcoin. I'm down 20% overall from my Bitcoin purchases. Down $6.90. And how do I see my details? So I made $3 in purchases. All right, but I'm down $6.90. And then they have given me a total of $30.01. And now I have a total of 26. All right, let's see. Life of S91, spy farming a flag on the 3 minute. How long do you normally stay in the bro, I got another like 36 minutes. Yes, attempted now, fell the flag. They gave me a loan of $125 that they did for me. That's it. Hey, that's something. All right. You said yes over second failed attempt. We'll see. No, don't forget we're on a tiny time frame right now. Let me see what this looks like on a 5. Oh yeah, we're still under this. I don't like that bro, they're really playing these games today. Here, let's get back in, look at the gamma exposure. Hey, the levels are still there. They're still there. It's not over yet. They might have faked us out. They might just leave us here. Or they might just wait till I gotta go and then just decide, hey, let's run it up. Who knows? All right, 707.80. Or 777.14. I got a meeting, gotta earn this paycheck. Hey, brand new, do what you do. Get that money. Put a stop loss at 73 cents. Hey, smart move. Define your risk. Especially when we're not moving like this. $777.02. All right. Hey, also, I know people you're saying like the failed flag. Yo, we might have a little double bottom right here. Look, boom. Hey, look. Yo, it could be a lot of things. Look, ooh, boop. Okay. Ooh, say we get what's that? Anything could happen. It's not. Hey, just want to put that out there. Not saying it will. Just want to show you. The same way we could get a whoop, we can get a whoop. Hey, so it's not over till it's over. It doesn't look good, but it doesn't look bad yet. You say we come break that neckline, a little different. It's like what script do they want to run today? Spy needs a map because they don't know where to go. Hey, for real. How low can we? Hey, let's. I'm hoping not too low. Because we're already Hey, we kind of low right now. Or actually, we're not. We're pretty close to all-time highs, but yo, just what I have, hey, we're kind of low. All right, 777.92. All right, so we're right here at the low of day. You know, let's see if that double bottom is intact here. Let's hold on, wrong one. Yo, here on the 15, we have been pretty consistent with the offward selling. So I can see it hitting. Oh yeah, okay. So actually, hold up. I see something, and it's actually okay. So I'm gonna call it for the day. We could actually end up falling a lot more. I'm out at 77 per share. Um, I want you to see this 9 EMA, or like usually it'll be a 13 EMA for me. But another thing I noticed, we just made a new low, and I don't think it's just a double bottom. It still could be, but I'm gonna say the days that I have seen this, like where we just consistently ride this, like notice we kind of came into it like this. Yeah, we might just end up dropping a lot lower today. I'm not gonna be able. I'm not gonna be around to potentially get like ride it the way it would need to be rode. So yeah, I just locked in a loss. This is gonna be the first losing day for this challenge. But yeah, I gotta lock that in before it goes bad. Protect the capital. Watch it try to reverse right here. But yeah, I don't like that this is like we haven't been able to break this trend and it's still continuing to move down. So we would need to cross up on this 2 minute before it really works. All right, where my mouse just go, bro? How does it keep hopping over my iPad? All right, so could you speak more about the Greeks? What do you want to know about the Greeks? I would say the most crucial one is going to be actually I got a video that would probably be more helpful than whatever I'm about to say, because it's like before I make a video I usually get my thoughts together. Here, so oh wait, what just happened? Alright, so here I'm gonna throw this in right here. So this video I just dropped in the link is called "Wanna Understand Option Pricing?" Watch this video. I think there's only like 2 or 3 Greeks that I really care about. Like the only ones I really care about are the delta and the theta. Delta is going to be the rate of change. Theta is going to be kind of how much a contract loses from day to day. Theta is probably going to be the most, no, I'm not going to say most important. Those are going to be the most important, 2 most important, and the ones I care about. Um, 778, 779. Bro, this is I don't think we're gonna get a move in time. It looks like it's just one of those. Here, we'll say one of those mornings. I can't speak for the whole day, but it's looking like one of those mornings. Like as of right now, just looking at this at this point, I legit think like the same way we had like these slow rises all week, I think we could have a slow fall for the rest of the day. Like as long as we stay below this 2 EMA or this 9 EMA on the 2 minute. Yeah. Gauss, yeah, I think we're done for the day. Otherwise, I think we'll like I took 2 L's today on trades. As like my what is it history or my data shows like if I take 2 L's, the third trade's not going to be any better on a day. So usually after 2 failures in a day, I gotta draw the line. Unless I see like a bomb swing trade where it's like, oh yeah, I got plenty of time on that. But nah, right now you can only trade what you're given. We're not being given much. You can see the price of the options contracts almost nothing. So that's it. Here, let's see. Sent Unc alert for 440 joules. Wait, were there more joules sent? Bro, what's up with these joules? I don't even see the. Hold up. Oh, hold up. Oh, I got some stuff I didn't even realize. Yo, hold up. We got some people joining the family. We got Unc alert for 400. Hey, thanks for the jewels. I still don't understand how this works, but thank y'all. I'm okay. Yo, am I Unc now? Here, let's see. Bro, this is menacing. Bad day for everyone. We back next. Hey, no, somebody I forget. Wait, who was it? Somebody was took some dubs this morning. What was? Where'd he go? Angelus. Yo, Angelus took some dubs. I think. Bro, who else was it? Oh, Ken took a little dub too. Maybe check the latest on the S&P 500. Yo, the latest is it's just sitting there, man. Let's see. Started a new service. If live to get your opinion. Okay, I mean you can send it to me. I'm not sure how like when I'll see it or what mind state I'll be in. Bro, Tesla. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yeah, that 550 was a level. We're falling on that Tesla. Bro, it makes me want to chase it, but I'm not gonna chase it. Bro, Tesla, like I was looking at Spiral this time. Meanwhile, Tesla's doing this thing. Bro, the best thing that could happen for me, like we're done with the $100 account today. Let me see where we ended up today. Here, let's look real quick. Let me show y'all. All right, so on the day, wait, why is it not showing? Let's refresh the page. Bro, it's like really slow. All right, whenever it loads, you'll see. Okay, so on the day in the $100 account, Started at 243.65. Yeah, we're down $44. So gotta stop right there for now. Still got 67 buying power, but yeah, that's it for the account right now. All right, yo, yes, SPY still moving down. Took forever though. All right, so whoever asked about the Greeks, this movement right here probably made contracts even cheaper. It might be like it could be the same price it was over here, even though it's lower because of something called theta. So third time's a charm. Down 140 on the day, not too crazy. Understood, most definitely. Two and done. You have a link to a website? Yeah, I think it's matthewmanuel.co/start here. Let me see. Bro, I need help. Like if I'm being real, I need help. I got like so much I want to do, but I don't really have the time to do it. But I also like I don't fully have the money. Like I have extra money, but I don't have the money to like hire people. So I'm like a little squeezed. Like I want to do so much more. I got so much in my brain, and like honestly, AI helps out a lot. But yo, I still need help on the cool. Let's see. Tesla put looking good. Yeah, hey, we're moving down. I'm like once again, I'm not gonna chase because I'm out of here in 19 minutes. But shoot, if y'all want any analysis, you said what about Meta and AMD? AMD is gone. That yeah, AMD is long gone, and Meta. And it's like that. I'll be on the road. That'll get closed out if it gets closed out, but those are gone. I did say yesterday, whenever we were getting off, that would be a good time to exit the trade. I tried to exit the Meta at 231. It didn't work out. Let's see. I've got 22% on a put earlier. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Down 200 a day. Put a long for next Friday. Hopefully it pays. Let me ship my son to you. You said he'll work for information. Oh, that's hilarious. I feel you. Need like 5 of me to accomplish everything. Bro, Angel's out. Yeah. Hey, big time. Feel you. Yeah, it's like yeah, it's like I like I'm good with the stocks and like the stocks, and like it's cool whenever it's like bro, I really love the swing trades, but it's like I'm gonna be real, my money is or like I'm partially elsewhere because I make like so much more money doing it, and it's like don't want to stop because that also feeds this and feeds my investing. Yeah, let's see. But also, it's like I want to have like something like set up where, bro, there are people coming in the freedom charts that like I need to screen people because I think people need like a certain level of knowledge before they come in. and it's like not everyone's on the same page. So I gotta like figure out something with that. But I got a lot of bro, just got a lot of stuff to do, which is crazy. Here, let's see. So yeah, we got SPY at 766.61. So yeah, we're moving down. Glad I got out up here. I'm curious what the contract's at, just just for purposes. What I have like a 777 call. Yeah, that's down to 60 cents. So saved a little bit. What was that first call or contract I had? Hold up, I'm in the wrong account. First contract I picked up today was a. Wait, I only picked up calls today? Okay, so yeah, I guess it's good. I didn't do anything, bro. Alright, said miss the streams. Hey, happy to be here on stream. Last week, last week I was in the Tetons out there in Wyoming, Jackson Hole. So we got Google moving down. All right, so I'm gonna say, yo, I hope the market just drops. I hope the market takes a poop today, like a big one. But we'll see. Like I'm about to hit the road today, and so I won't really be able to watch the market. I don't even wanna think about it right now, honestly. Here, let's see. All right, so here, let's. I'm gonna start. Wait, okay. I took your trade on Palantir, sell order 178, then went down. Hey, good stuff. But I don't even remember. I don't even remember that Palantir trade on the call. I remember charting Palantir, but I don't remember taking it. But hey, good stuff. Way to get that money, bro. I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna take this time to chart some good setups on this bottom left screen. All right, SPY on the 4 hour. We'll leave that alone for now. IWM still holding up. Google. I still think I'm gonna get money from Google. I hope it accelerates. Let me take another look at that real quick. Like it might not happen today, but let's see. Yeah, Google still has some things that it needs to get through, but I think there's like Google has potential. Let's see what else. What's the current range on Google? I think with Google we're operating from this area right here. So I guess support's actually wait, hold up. Okay, well, my good people. Hey, peace out, Monica. I'm not too far behind you. Have a blessed day, weekend, all that. Yes, and let's walk in God's grace. We should try to break the lottery code together. Boy, if I won the lottery, I don't even know what I'd do, honestly. Bro, would I still have drive? That's a good question. You're very welcome, Ahmed. I'm not related to Alpha Trader at all. I think he's good at what he does, and I thought he'd be a valuable addition to the Discord. So if you are not in the Discord, I know the Discord is not active, but I do have like Alpha Trader in there, like dropping gems. Like I pay him to do that for y'all. So like if y'all aren't taking advantage of it, like please take advantage of that because it's like I legit pay for y'all to have that information. Like even the people that are in there for free, that is not free information. He charges for that. You said what? I'm gonna put for Google. It's I rolled it out to 340 for next week. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's August 21st, 340 put. I had the put was I did have a 350 put that expired today, but I rolled it out to next week because Google, it was about the price I paid for it, but I think I could either be waiting right now and like let Google do what it does, and I don't know, it'd probably be sitting at about like, was it like 350 or 450 right now? I didn't want to wait. I think the value of time might be more if I wait for next week. Um, all right, it's buy at 776.38. Got a little heat advisory today. $776.34. So maybe try creating a one-page recommendation of information for learning according to different levels. Here, let me hold on. Let me make a note in Claude or whatever. Here, let's see. Where we at? All right, I appreciate you. Love to dream. Here, let's say. Okay, so we're at 776. All right, so yo, Angelus's price target was hit. I think he took profit, but yo, hit the price target. We got the dollar going up. Tesla down at 330. Here, I'm gonna have to zoom out on Tesla. All right, so Tesla is coming back to test the 9 EMA. But yeah, love the dream. I got that down. Yeah, Tesla's doing that thing. So we started falling about like 10 minutes after we got that data. I would say that data was kind of like positive. Here, let me. Yeah, I think this is just the market makers right here because we're still looking kind of good. All right. All right, so now we got SPY at 776. See. All right, so now it looks like there's a magnet at 775. Okay, down $10. Dang, two Starbucks coffees bowing out. Hey, yes, protect that capital. 295. You said which is 150 Canadian. I thought. Wait, hold up. I'm confused. Is that 350 Canadian? I thought a regular dollar was more than a Canadian dollar, or a U.S. dollar is more. Making notes on the day. Fridays usually work for me. For some reason, I need to stop trading on Fridays, I think. Or so they usually don't work. All my wins yesterday are gone. This is a pattern. Hey, something wise to know. Okay, here, let's. It's so close to 150. Wait, hold up. It's so close to 150. Canadians low, oh so low. Hold on, I'm gonna have to do a conversion now. Okay, so one Canadian dollar is 72 cents US. So here, let's see what 150 Canadian is. All right, that's about 108, $109 or so. Oh, you said they usually work you. Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay. All right, so I put your idea into Claude. I don't know why it's trying to like create the whole thing for me. I'm gonna have to actually give it input to create it, but nah, I need to make this mine. I don't necessarily like this. Bro, AI could be so bad if you're trying to just let it do everything for you. You gotta like give it input and feedback. Otherwise, bro, it's like all the same. It's like I think it's wait here, let's see. Should have left it running since I said it would hit 776.50. Bro, yeah, it's still hey, this trend has been going all day. Like hindsight is 2020. Bro, I would love if the market could accelerate. Yeah, we got like one more minute though. Like yeah, I would love for the market to accelerate over the rest of the day. That way, like it'd be amazing if Meta could make its way to like just drop a solid like $20 from where it's at. That would be great. If Google could drop a solid $20, those are the only things I see as being possible. Do I think they'll happen? No, but is it possible? I think that's possible, and that would really hook me up while I'm on the road. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's gonna do it for the day. Yo, we'll come back next week. Kind of different game plan, or not necessarily different game plan, but ready to take some wins. Hopefully the market's on something different. But yeah, the only thing I see today that's really been given to us is like, we got a consistent trend on the two, and I try to trade the reversal here, but nah. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's gonna do it for the day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.